So year on year, we have actually noticed that we have gotten quite a few. We've had conversations with quite a few quality companies that are directly in our go-to markets. So yeah, I mean, from this year specific, we have noticed that the quality of the people that we've spoken to have been much better. You know, we will get a lot of opportunities out of this, so it will be beneficial for us. I mean, we're willing to speak to absolutely anyone. You know, we just want people to get to know who Infor is. But I think majority of the people that we have spoken to have been exactly right up our alley and who we've needed to speak to. So yes, it's opened up the doors for us. Yeah. I feel like I'm using very cliche words, but you know what? I feel like magical as well because I mean we're here to make opportunities, to get opportunities, and we are seeing that success out of this. Like we feel that in the next coming months, South Africa is going to be put on the roadmap as an Infor perspective. So yes, I mean I think those 3 words I would say it is. Most probably. So of course I'm not unfortunately the decision maker when it comes to that one. But I, as a person that works directly with the South African market, it is something that I would highly propose to our marketing director.